First of all, happy Construction Safety Week. Construction Safety Week is definitely key to us to make sure that we're not only thanking our employees for their continual safety, but making sure that we really emphasize as a company that we want them to stay safe, that we encourage safe practices. We don't want any shortcuts. We don't want anything that is going to hinder that safety and not make it to where people can't go home to their families at the end of the day.
So what I'd really like to congratulate everybody here at Digital Building for going what is today 796 days without a reportable incident. That's over 2 years and 2 months, which is just a phenomenal result, especially considering that we've increased our installation team out at all of our job sites as well. So that's not just all of our associates down on the plant floor, but it's everybody across the business at our project sites as well. It's a remarkable achievement, and I'm proud of each and every one of the team members for making that happen.
The team buying in is very important because, like I said, one man's safety depends on a multiple of guys, because one guy gets unsafe and he can hurt 10 or 12 other guys. So it's very important that we keep everybody in the mindset of safety so that everybody goes home safe to their families, that nobody's walking out of here limping and or, eye injuries or flash burns. There's just a lot of stuff that can happen if everybody's not focused.
So Digital Building Components, we're definitely always looking at our equipment, looking at the right tool for the right job, making sure that the environment in which our employees are fabricating and building and showing up to work every day, because they do spend so much time here, is that we're constantly changing things. We're constantly looking for trip hazards. We're constantly looking to make things move through the shop quicker. We're looking for a lean optimization so that they're not having to move things so many times just because of what we do, what we handle here is so big. We want to eliminate all of that. So we're constantly changing. We're constantly looking at making it better, faster, safer for the employees overall.
I mean, first thing is safety meetings. When we get started on a job, we get started for the day, we're always looking at what we're doing, what the hazards are, what the risks are, and how we're going to mitigate them. Things like activity hazard analysis, pre-task plans, just walking through the steps and seeing what are all the steps that we're going to be taking for the day, and where are the things that, may pose a hazard and what we have to look at a little bit more. That's really what that's what we look at when we're trying to plan our work, to see where there's potential risks and where we can stay safe to avoid those.
The difficulties that COVID brought to digital buildings was an actual change in the entire landscape. We typically focus on safety with equipment. This time around, we had to really focus on employees' health and well-being.
Yeah, so obviously the COVID-19 pandemic has added additional challenges with safety, because not only do we have the original challenges of all staying safe on our jobs, but we've got to worry about surfaces that we touch. We've got to worry about putting on masks, and so there's distractions that come with that. And I think it's an incredible achievement of our team to still have gone through this entire pandemic without a single reportable incident with all these enhanced safety measures. So congratulations to that, and also I just want to say that I appreciate so much everybody that's coming in here at work every single day during this pandemic, staying safe, and it's a remarkable achievement. So thank you to everybody at Digital Building.
Looking ahead, we're definitely, like I said, we're a young company. We're constantly growing, and so the biggest thing about safety in the future to us is getting ahead of any product, getting ahead of any procedure, and really making sure that we have an open mind to any new process. The way that we're building things today isn't necessarily going to be the way that we're building things a year from now. And we have to have an open mind to that, to really look at what our competitors are doing, what other companies are doing to make their employee safety healthy and top priority, and then bring that back to our company to make sure that we're switching equipment. We're constantly looking at new ways in order to build better and also build safer.